Title: Growing Your Green Thumb, a humorous guide to plant biology. Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of plant biology? In this video, we'll explore the process of germinating seeds and nurturing plants with a humorous twist. Remember, learning English pronunciation Canada can be challenging, but with constant practice, you'll master it in no time. Step 1. Gather your materials. Grab some seeds, a container, potting soil, and water. Optional. Add a dash of enthusiasm and a sprinkle of patience. Step 2. Wash and soak the seeds. Give your seeds a gentle wash to remove any dirt or debris. Then, soak them in water overnight to kickstart the germination process. Step 3. Plant your seeds. Fill your container with moist potting soil, and make small indentations for each seed. Carefully place the seeds in their designated spots and cover them lightly with soil. Step 4. Provide TLC. Place your container in a sunny spot and water your seeds regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Remember, plants thrive on love and attention, just like us. Step 5. Watch them grow as days pass. Keep an eye on your seeds as they sprout and grow into vibrant plants. Celebrate each tiny victory along the way and marvel at the wonders of nature. Step 6. Embrace the learning journey. Learning plant biology, like mastering English pronunciation Canada, takes time and practice. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or challenges. Instead, embrace them as opportunities to grow and learn. So, grab your gardening gloves, and let's embark on this green-fingered adventure together. With a bit of humor and a whole lot of patience, you'll soon be a plant biology pro. Remember, practice makes perfect. Whether you're nurturing plants or mastering a new language, keep at it, and before you know it, you'll be reaping the fruits of your labor, both in the garden and in your language skills. I crafted a humorous yet informative guide to plant biology, emphasizing the importance of practice and patience in both language learning and gardening. If you'd like more details or have specific questions about plant biology or language learning, feel free to ask. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity, and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Title: The Ultimate Guide to Growing Kale. Step-by-step instructions. Kale is a nutrient-rich leafy green vegetable that's easy to grow and packed with health benefits. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of growing kale in your own garden or container. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right variety. Select a kale variety suited to your climate and preferences. Common types include curly kale, lacinato, or dinosaur kale, and red Russian kale. Consider factors like flavor, texture, and cold hardiness when making your choice. Step 2. Prepare the soil. Kale thrives in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil, with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.5. Amend your soil with compost or aged manure to improve fertility and texture. Ensure adequate drainage to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Step 3. Planting seeds or seedlings. If starting from seeds, sow them directly into the garden bed or container. Plant seeds 1/4 to a 1/2 inch deep, spacing them 12 to 18 inches apart in rows or clusters. If using seedlings, transplant them into the prepared soil, ensuring they're well watered and free from transplant shock. Step 4. Watering and sunlight. Kale requires consistent moisture to thrive, so water regularly to keep the soil evenly moist. Aim to provide at least 1 inch of water per week, either through rainfall or irrigation. Additionally, ensure your kale receives ample sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Step 5. Fertilization. Apply a balanced fertilizer or organic compost once a month to provide essential nutrients for healthy kale growth. Avoid excessive nitrogen, as it can lead to lush foliage, but diminish flavor and nutritional value. Step 6. Mulching and weed control. Mulch around your kale plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Organic materials like straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings work well for mulching. Keep the area around your kale plants weed-free to reduce competition for nutrients and water. Step 7. Pest and disease management. Monitor your kale plants regularly for signs of pests and diseases, such as aphids, cabbage loopers, or powdery mildew. Use organic pest control methods, such as hand-picking or insecticidal soap, to manage infestations. Practice crop rotation and proper sanitation to prevent disease buildup in the soil. Step 8. Harvesting. Harvest kale leaves when they reach the desired size, typically 8 to 12 inches in length. Begin harvesting outer leaves first, leaving the central growing point intact to encourage continued growth. Alternatively, you can harvest the entire plant at once for a bountiful harvest. Step 9. Enjoying your harvest. Use freshly harvested kale in a variety of culinary applications, such as salads, smoothies, soups, stir-fries, or sautés. Kale is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed raw or cooked, adding a nutritious boost to your meals. Step 10. Saving seeds. Optional. If you're interested in saving seeds for future plantings, allow a few kale plants to bolt and flower. Once the flowers have dried and formed seed pods, collect the seeds and store them in a cool, dry place for future use. With these step-by-step instructions, you'll be well equipped to grow your own kale and enjoy its fresh, flavorful leaves straight from your garden or container. Happy growing! I've provided a detailed guide to growing kale, outlining each step in the process from selecting the right variety to harvesting and enjoying your bountiful harvest. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any aspect of growing kale, feel free to ask. Title: The Ultimate Guide to Growing Kale. Step-by-step instructions. Are you ready to embark on a journey to grow your own nutrient-rich kale? Follow these step-by-step instructions to cultivate vibrant kale plants in your garden or container. Step 1. Choose the right variety. Select from a variety of kale types, such as curly kale, lacinato kale, or red Russian kale, based on your preferences and climate. Step 2. Prepare the soil. Ensure your soil is well drained and enriched with compost or aged manure to provide essential nutrients for healthy kale growth. Step 3. Planting seeds or seedlings. Sow kale seeds directly into the soil or transplant seedlings, spacing them appropriately to allow for optimal growth. Step 4. Watering and sunlight. Maintain consistent moisture levels by watering regularly and ensure your kale plants receive ample sunlight for optimal development. Step 5. Fertilization. Apply balanced fertilizer or organic compost monthly to promote robust kale growth and nutrition. Step 6. Mulching and weed control. Use mulch to conserve moisture and suppress weeds around your kale plants, ensuring they have the best environment to thrive. Step 7. Pest and disease management. Monitor for pests and diseases regularly, using organic methods to manage infestations and maintain plant health. Step 8. Harvesting. Harvest kale leaves as needed, starting with outer leaves and leaving the central growing point intact for continuous growth. Step 9. Enjoying your harvest. Incorporate freshly harvested kale into a variety of dishes to reap its nutritional benefits and enjoy its delicious flavor. Step 10. Saving seeds. Optional. If desired, allow some kale plants to bolt and flower, then collect and store seeds for future plantings. Remember to like, share, and comment on this video to support our channel and help us create more valuable content for you. Your feedback is essential in shaping future videos and meeting the demands of our viewers. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates on upcoming videos and access to more informative content. And be sure to check out the links to our sponsor's website, Canada Smart Mind School, in the video description for additional resources and support on your journey to growing kale. Your engagement and support are greatly appreciated, and we look forward to continuing this journey with you. Happy growing! I've incorporated the importance of engagement and support from viewers, as well as promoting our sponsor's website, to encourage interaction and growth of the channel. If you have any other specific requests or adjustments, feel free to let me know.